What's up guys, we're back again today with another great video, and in today's video we're actually going to be working on the C8 Corvette again. And in this video we're actually going to be installing these pucks that go underneath the car at the jack points or the lift points, so that way you will not injure the car when you're jacking it up or putting it on a lift. So let's go ahead and we'll check out the products, and then I will show you guys where I got them from, kind of explain them, and then we'll do a quick install. Alright guys, so here is the pucks that I bought. There's actually a couple different options. You can actually get, there's like some rubber ones, and they go up and they twist in, and then when you're done with them, you actually take them out, and then every time you've got to put them in, which is not a big deal, super easy. But some people will forget to take them out, and then they'll just leave them, and then they'll fly off the car as it's driving down the road. So what I decided to do is I actually bought these billet ones. They're billet aluminum, and I got them in red. You can get them in black and silver, I believe. This just makes it a little bit easier to see when you're jacking up the car and stuff with the red, and you're never going to see it underneath the car because it's so tight up underneath, you won't see it anyway. So it's just kind of a cool thing, and it makes it easier for you to see it. So these will actually be permanent, so they'll stay under the car all the time. You can take them off if you want to, but they're meant to where you can just leave them on the car. So with this, I bought the kit, and I'll actually put the link down below so you guys can see where I got them from. I actually just picked these up off Amazon, but as you guys can see, really good quality. They're pretty good and heavy too, but they're going to come in a pack together. I went ahead and I put this one together so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. But underneath the car, there's actually going to be a slot, like an oval slot like this. So what you'll do is imagine my hand being the slot. You're going to put the puck up in it, and then you're going to twist the puck, and then it's going to catch it just like so. And then once you do that, you can tighten them up, and then you're good to go. So pretty simple install. The product looks super nice from what I can tell. So once we get them installed, we'll kind of see how they work and everything, but they look really nice. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some thread locker, a little bit of thread locker on it, so that way they won't vibrate loose or anything and this come off when I'm driving down the road. So, all right, so I've got my puck set up right here. The kit comes with everything you'll need. It's just an Allen wrench is all it is that tightens them up. So I've went ahead and I put the thread locker on it. So now let's go ahead and I will show you guys what it looks like underneath the car. So as you guys can see, I'm going to do the back one first. And if you look under, here is what the hole looks like, or the jacking point. And you're just going to slide it in just like this. Let me see here, just like that, and then you're going to twist it just like that, and then that way that peg is going the opposite way. And then now we'll just go ahead and we'll tighten them up, and then it should stay underneath here the whole time the car is driving. And then anytime you need to jack the car up, the pucks are already on the car and ready to be jacked up, or you can lift the car, changing the oil, whatever you need to do. So with these two, when you're tightening them up, make sure that you tighten a little bit on one, then you go to the other one, tighten it a little bit, and go back and forth and kind of walk it down. That way it's not coming down in a bind. And then that way you can make sure it's good and tight. So let's go ahead and we'll jump up front and do the front one on this side, and then do the same thing on the opposite side. All right, so we got our second one set up right here. And as you guys can see, we're right here at the seam on the front door. And you're going to go underneath, and right here is the mounting point. So same thing, you're going to slide it in, and then twist the puck around like that. And then now we're ready to start tightening them up. Alright, so we got the one in the front installed, and as you guys can see back there, the one in the back. And you can notice up here, I'm still laying on the floor and you can't see them at all. So they actually work really good, and then they can just stay underneath the car the whole time, so you don't have to worry about forgetting the rubber ones up in the car when you're driving. All right, guys, so I went ahead and I installed the pucks on the driver's side. So now all 4 pucks are on. As you guys know, pretty much the point of these is just so you have a bigger impact or a bigger contact point when you're jacking the car up. It's pretty much known that with the C7s, and I think most of the Corvettes, that you need to have some type of puck, either a rubber one or ones that are installed on the car all the time. These are the ones I went with. Like I said, I will put these in a link down below so you guys can pick some up yourself. Very easy install, and you can always ensure yourself that you're not going to injure the car or injure the side skirts if you have these pucks on. So I know this is kind of a short video, but I just wanted to show you guys a quick install on those. And we got something really cool coming up here. That's kind of why I'm blocking the front of the car with our sponsorship that we got for this build. So with that being said, guys, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see all the cool stuff that we are going to do to this car. It's not going to end with just this video. We've got a lot of cool stuff coming up in the near future for the new C7 Corvette on the channel. So like I said, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out, and remember, build your masterpiece.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only